How to embed a YouTube video in Twitter or X application. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to discuss about embedding a YouTube video in Twitter. So if you're using mobile or a computer, find the video that you want to share, then tap on share, tap on the copy link option, come back, open your Twitter application or the Twitter website. As the link is copied in your clipboard, you can go ahead and start writing a new tweet. So tap on the plus icon in the bottom right corner, tap on post, simply paste the YouTube link that you just copied, and add your own message or caption to the tweet if desired, and post your tweet. So your tweet will automatically display a preview image that is thumbnail of the YouTube video, and viewers can click the preview to watch the video on YouTube. The video will not play automatically within the Twitter, but the preview clearly indicates it's a video. So you can use a service like bit.ly to shorten the link and make it look tidier. And you can give credit. Mention the video creator in your tweet using their username, and try using an engaging intro like "This video blew my mind" or "This song is of 2025 top hits" or anything you like, and simply post it. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.